Hi guys. This is the second part of my video last time. I'm on the balcony again. Today is snowing. So, wish me good luck. Good luck. I'm on camera right now. I'm playing with my Hot Wheels monster truck. See this? See this? Tiger shark, Bigfoot, then Bone Shaker. Yesterday, I tell my mom if my mom can buy me this one. So, my mom let me. Then, I buy a Playmobil. It's in a blind bag. It was a King Knights. That's so cool. Then, this is my tool. This is a toothpick. You can toothpick inside of him. Then the snow inside of my monster truck will go up. Subscribe, like, then comment good luck to make me a good luck. Lots of good luck. Oh. I think my hands are frozen right now. Oh. And I'm still protecting my phone. Oh. Here's my beautiful shovel. Someone just dirty me off. Oh, you got to be kidding me. Well, this is my house. It's not an apartment. It looks like an apartment, but it's not an apartment. Look. Here. I'm just gonna close these. Now just need it. Ooh! I'm trying to manage. Oh. Stay away from me. I have an extra. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Well, that's the farthest. That's the farthest. See you guys. Bye.